Alright, it looks like we are going on the run today because, according to Urban Decay, we were born to run. I know, I'm corny, I'm cheesy. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for checking her out. So it's been a hot minute since I sat down and filmed a video, so today I'm just going to do a review while getting ready and shooting the shit. I'm really excited to get my hands on the Urban Decay Born to Run palette because you know how I feel about my heavy metals. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I'm sure you guys have seen this. I think it's probably one of the best palettes that has come out this year so far. It is literally my favorite. In my opinion, this is just everything you would need in a palette. I have already gotten a chance to play with it. This is my palette. I just got it yesterday. And as you can see, I haven't swatched it or touched it or anything. But my cousin actually has the exact same palette and I got a chance to play with her, so I already kind of know I love it. So there are 21 shadows in this palette. I'm going to start by doing my brows, and I just want to say the mirror in this thing is bomb. It's so bomb. Anyways, moving into the star of the show, the Urban Decay palette. Now, as I've mentioned, I've gotten a chance to play with it. Not a lot. I've only played with like maybe 3 of the shadows. So today I'll be able to form even more of an opinion on it. I just want to say, just going into it right now, I'm very biased towards Urban Decay because I love their shadows and I don't feel like this is going to disappoint, but we'll see as I play around with more of the colors. So I'm going to be taking this color right here, this orange color, of course, me taking orange. Wow, anything, you know what, actually, let's switch it up today. Let's switch it up. Let's take, let's go with this one. Let's go with this one. It's called Hellride. So we're going to go with this one instead of my typical orange that I gravitate towards. We'll see how this goes. I mean, let's keep building it up. And my brush is clean, so we're really getting to see how pigmented it is on first glance. And it's pigmented, but it's not like a wham bam of color right away. I am getting some kickback in my palette. Not much, but it's definitely there. This color right here, it's pretty. It can go on still. What I've noticed is that this definitely takes a bit of building up, this specific color, which I'm not mad at because it's a pretty bright color, and for me personally, I like when I get a chance to build up my colors because it gives me some time to really build up the shade and not let it be too pigmented, especially if I'm just looking for a wash of color. So I'm not mad at it. I'm just glad that it builds up because there's some shadows where you put it on and no matter how much you build it up, it doesn't really get any more pigmented. So for me, this is good. But then again, I'm biased. So anyone at all stages can definitely use this palette. Ooh, I like that color. What do y'all think? I really hope if I'm not recording, I'm about to fight someone. Oh no, I'm good. Yeah, I'm being so silly because it's been a hot minute since I've sat down and just filmed with y'all because I've been vlogging these past couple weeks. And it's been so much fun to vlog. I really do enjoy vlogging and I enjoy the editing process because setting up for this video, I forgot how much effort it takes for me to set up for a beauty video, and then I have to worry about syncing my audio with my phone because my lens make a weird crackling noise. So I have to be doing all these different things. I don't have a separate beauty room to where I can just leave things be and then just come turn on the camera and film. No, I don't. It takes a lot more effort and time out of me to film a beauty video, is all I'm saying. And I really, really enjoy filming vlogs because it's fun because then you get to see a little bit more of my personality. And in beauty videos, because of the... I'm ranting. Hold on. Let me get another color while I'm telling y'all this unnecessary story. Okay. I didn't venture too far out. So, actually, you know what? I'm going to take this. I was about to go in the orange, but you know what? Let's take this. It's called Still Shot. Okay. Give it a shot. But yeah, as I was saying... what was I saying? I don't know. Right. I was saying that, with beauty videos, I try to make them as short and as condensed and to the point as possible because I am rather small on YouTube and I want people who come to my channel to see what I have to offer in a small amount of time so that they want to stay around with me because I love when y'all interact with me. I love when y'all leave comments. And so for that reason, I was just like trying to do voiceovers, trying to make my videos quick, trying to make everything condensed and just quick to the point so y'all can decide whether or not y'all want to stay. And now I'm kind of at the point where I don't care. Like, I just don't care. That's not why I joined YouTube. I remember for a long time, when I started YouTube, YouTube was starting to change, and I got off of YouTube because of the fact that it was starting to change. I was starting to compare myself to other people, and I was like, in the name of Jesus, that will not happen, because I just don't find it conducive to compare yourself. Like, what's the point? What's the point? You're never going to be the other person. Try as you may, you never will be the other person. So for me, I was just like, this is not good for my mental health. And I don't struggle with mental health issues. Thankfully, if you do, keep pushing through it and keep working through it, and just make sure you aren't consuming anything that's too deteriorating for your own mental health. But me personally, I don't struggle with it. I tend to cut things off like really quickly for the most part. Some certain situations, toxic ones. I don't. But that's a part of my learning process. That's a part of me growing up. I gotta just screw up every once in a while. But for the most part, that wasn't good for me, and I knew that wasn't good for me, so I removed myself from the situation. And I just started to consume YouTube, just social media, Instagram, everything, a lot less. If you look at my Instagram, there are various gaps in it, and it's kind of consistent with my YouTube as well. I just don't be trying to take in anything that is going to screw with my mental. I'm just not here for it, okay? I'm wonderfully and beautifully made by God above, so no one's gonna make me feel any less than that, and I'm not gonna consume anything that makes me feel any less than that. So I had to remove myself from YouTube. I say this all to say, where was I going with this? I say this all to say, if you like my channel, you'll stick around and you'll stay. If you like my personality, stick around and you stay. If you don't, it just means I'm not for you. Period. 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 I seen that meme the other day and I was just done. I was like, who the hell makes these things? I'm gonna take this color right here, Punk. We're just gonna deepen this look up. Ooh, Punk doesn't have any fallback or kickback or anything. It's nice. Okay, Punk is good. So we're gonna put that into the crease. Anyways, what have y'all been up to? How have you guys been? Tell me something. Communicate. Talk to me. I don't care if it's only one of y'all. If I don't reply right away, it's not because I'm avoiding the comment or I just don't care to reply, because I love that you took the time to reply. Just bear with me, because I'm not always on YouTube and I'm not always consuming my own content. When you film and then you have to edit your own self, it is so exhausting, and it's just like, I don't want to see myself, I don't want to hear myself, I don't want to consume myself for days. Anyways, we're gonna go with the drift right here, and then we are going to go with Guilt Trip, which is this purple right here. Maybe I should swatch it for y'all so you guys can see. Ooh, I hope I was in frame for that. Do you see that? It's beautiful. I think this is one of the colors I played with with my cousin's palette, because I naturally gravitate to darker colors as well. I'm either doing a neutral look or a full-on smoky eye. There's really no in-betweens. Let's see how that one came out. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. So I'm actually going to layer those two colors. I think they would be beautifully layered. See, I want to use my NYX glitter primer because I don't do any of my makeup without this primer. If it's shimmer, if it goes on my lid, I put this primer underneath it because it's just a bomb product and I don't have to worry about my colors transferring in my crease when I wear it. But yeah, moving forward, I'm just going to do my beauty videos however I think I want to do it that day. If I feel like sitting down and just getting ready and just bumping my music and not really saying much to the camera, then that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, okay, this color is really pretty. If I feel like sitting down and talking like I am now for 20, 30, 40 minutes, then that's what I'm gonna do. If you're interested, you'll stick around, you'll watch, and then you'll decide. So for me, that's just how I am gonna do it moving forward. My audience will come in time, and I'm not even like worried about it anymore. I'm just gonna enjoy making YouTube like I did in the past. When I first started, I really enjoyed it, and that's just my aim. That's just my goal at this point. If 2 people watch, if 3 people watch, if 10 people watch, I'm happy. Decisions. Okay, I know we said we're gonna take Guilt Trip because it's purple and it would match better with the mauve that we kind of have going on in the crease, but we're gonna take Big Sky and we're gonna apply that onto this. Fingers crossed that it works out. Give me a nice little shift. How do I feel about that? It's really pretty. Yes, that's pretty. Oh yeah, I like that. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna take the same color that we used in the crease, Hell Ride, and I'm going to mix it with Punk on a pointy brush. We're also going to take Drift, and we're going to also run that along the lower lash line. So I've been applying my foundation very differently lately. I haven't been putting it all over my face. I've been concentrating a lot of the product just in the center of my face, and in this area on this side of my face I have a little bit more dark spots. So I just go ahead and just tap whatever is left on the brush in that area. And that's about it. Like, I don't even worry about this side because it's just too much with this heat and humidity here in Canada to be layering on products, because by the time I walk for 15 minutes, my face is sweating. I walk pretty much everywhere. I really enjoy walking. So I've just had to find a way to still have my face nice and pretty without it melting off before I even reach there. And this has just been what's working for me. I don't even overdo my concealer anymore. I just keep it nice and natural like this. To like each their own. We wear makeup differently based on our, you know, what we consider to be important to us. And for me, my floss peeking through and looking beat is just not, it's not really something I care about. I love my eyes being beat though. I have this Laura Mercier powder, which I've had forever now. I'm just trying to finish it. I love this powder so much. I love my Cover FX, but this thing right here, girl, as dry and as crusty as it makes me look, because it does do that, my face will be sitting, like in the nosebleeds. Like, you can't see me. What flaw? What sweat glands? What pore? What are you talking about? I don't have any of them, okay? Try the next girl over there, because it ain't me. That's how I feel about this powder. If you make it this far into my video, I want you to put an emoji. Any emoji. You know what I just realized? I recorded that entire portion of me doing my face without my mic on. So hopefully it's not too crackly. I went to go get blush. Y'all already know, you guys are probably tired of me, but it's my Fenty Blush Duo in Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge. And I'm just going to use that and apply this blush / highlight. Who are some of y'all's favorite YouTubers right now? Like, who do you guys like to watch? I love watching Aaliyah's Face. I think that's her name. Aaliyah's Face is like my favorite right now. I'm just obsessed with her. I love her. And I love me some Too Much Mouth. She's nice. I really like her videos as well. Oh, I also like Kinky Sweats. I really hope I'm saying that right. Who else is there? Oh yeah, African Beauty. She is bomb. She's so bomb. If you don't watch her, watch her. She's bomb. Like, I love her energy. I love her vibe. She's just, she gets it. She gets it. And she does these girl talks videos. Ooh, I should do that. I'm so inspired now. She does these girl talks, and they're low-key over 30 minutes, sometimes 50. I think the last one she did was 50, and you better believe I sat down and watched the whole goddamn thing, because I love her. And I just love to hear what she has to say and her opinion on things. So, yeah, I love African Beauty. I hope I'm saying that right. Oh, do you guys watch Kennedy Johnson, President Kennedy? She's so funny. I love her. I love her. I love her personality. I just love her vibe. And I watch her lives all the time on Instagram. I actually have a notification for her. I think she's the only person that I get notified of when she does a live, because her lives are just, they're freaking hilarious. The other day she was dancing to NSYNC. She's funny. And she carries herself well, and she's, you know, I don't know. I love all these black girls. They're just black excellence. I just love them. They all have something different to offer, and I just love it. But yeah, that's all I have for you today, because I can't think of anyone else off the top of my head, but you better believe there's more people. Okay, so this is the look, and for lips, we're going to do something fun. We're going to do the Fenty Gloss and Mermaid Thighs. I love this. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Let me take these goddamn scarves off my head. Yes, I have two. Ooh, child. Yes, she's here. She's arrived, and she's serving you face with a sleek-ish ponytail. Like the ends, I'm gonna have to situate the rest of that. But this is a look, y'all. I really hope y'all liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video in this format and just hanging out. This is the look. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Leave me a comment. Leave that emoji. And if you'd like to see more content from me, be sure to come back next Monday, as always, because I upload a new video every Monday. All right.